Hey guys, keto blueberry pie cookies. Let's just get right to it.
First, we're going to add 2 cups of blueberries, or 300 grams. To that, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of water and a tablespoon of lemon juice. And optional is 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We're going to give that a little stir and then cook on medium heat for about 15 minutes, stirring regularly. It'll reduce by 1/3 and thicken up. And also be sure to smash the berries if you want it to be a little bit smoother. Next, I'm going to add a little bit of powdered sweetener. Use whatever powdered sweetener of your choice. Give that a little stir, crush up some more berries. And then after that, I'm going to add 2 pinches of xanthan gum. It's going to thicken it up and a little goes a long way. And then we're just going to pour it into the container. Next up, we have 2 ounces of cream cheese and 4 tablespoons of softened butter. We're going to add 5 tablespoons of granulated sweetener and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Grab our handy dandy little mixer here and give that a mix. You can use a spoon too if you need to. And to that, we're going to add 1 egg, mix, and 1.5 cups of almond flour. Mix. Grab your spoon and use that to get all the healthy bits off the sides. And use our cling wrap here to roll it up in a ball. And we're going to put this in the freezer for about 15 minutes. That's a hefty little loaf. Okay, I tried to start doing it right here, but I had to end up putting it back in the freezer for like another 20 minutes. Okay, now we have it good and we're rolling it up and kind of flatten it out a little bit. Putting a little pool in there, a little swimming pool in our cookie. And I do that by using this little melon baller. All right, we're going to take our blueberry jam and fill up those swimming pools. Now we're going to bake this at 365 degrees for 13 to 15 minutes. Make sure they're pretty. But here's where I was like, I want to make some lattice work like they do with pies. So I started to do it with a pizza cutter and then it started to fall apart and I was just like, oh no. So then I was like, okay, well, I'm going to get it and start rolling it up to make, it just didn't work. So I had to scrap that idea. So here's what they look like before they go in the oven.
I had a nail emergency. Anyway, let me try. So good. If you want to make these cookies more like sugar cookies, I would definitely double the sweetener amount. If you're interested in other keto desserts, I would check this out right here. It's fantastic. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Give a little boop if you like this video. I'll see you guys next time.